Hello YouTubers! Welcome to another video here with me, Mamacita Missy Jen, and as you can see we got another tractor video, a tractor review and another New Holland. I'm really excited about this one in particular because this one doesn't have a cab and we can climb up there and we can check out all the controls and stuff and just get a real close look at what actually goes on inside the cab if it would have had a cab. So yeah, this is actually a Workmaster 70. So New Holland actually has the Power Star series, and then I think it's a smaller series of New Holland. They are called the Workmaster series, and the Workmaster 70 with 70 horsepower. As you can see, here are the hydraulic hookups, 4 hookups here, and the attachment here ready for a front loader, so you can actually put a front loader on this. It's ready for that, and it comes with 4-wheel drive, as you can see here, and also some people call that front wheel assist because you can shift it into 2-wheel drive, which then only the rear wheels will drive the tractor, or you can put it in 4-wheel drive if you need to, like in hilly areas. Then you can put the front on as well. So I'm really excited to get in there in the cab and check it out. So let's go, babies, and check out the cab. Alright, so we're on the other side now because this is the side where we will have to get up into the cab. So without further ado, let's get up in there and check it out. Okay, so we are now here in the cab, and as you can see here, first of all, RPMs, digital display for the speedometer. We got here temperature gauge, and here the fuel gauge. Here we have the throttle, so you don't have to use the throttle down here. Which actually I like this one here a lot compared to the Mahindra. The Mahindra, that one was kind of like very hard to push in, but this one pushes easy. It's very soft, so I like that. Then we have here the brakes, since we're already down here. And then here we have the clutch. Yep, that works pretty good, feels good. And then we have here forward, neutral, reverse, hazard lights on and off, lights on and off. I think that's the ones in the back on the rollover thing in the back, and then the work lights. And then we have here for the front lights in general, we got here like a switch here, and what else do we have? Okay, then here we have the front loader. It has like 2 buttons here for the front loader. So when you put the front loader on, you can use this here to control the front loader. Here's the stick shift, 4 gears, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty forward, straightforward. Here we have our for the back, the 3-point hitch here, the controllers, flotation and draft control here, and this here's for the height adjustment here. Yeah, what else do we got on the other side here? We have here low range, forward, high range, backwards, high range for highway and streets, low range for the working on the field. And then here we have the PTO engagement lever right here. And that's all we got here, a cup holder here. And then you can see here there's the front loader attachment here, front loader attachment here. And you can already tell by the exhaust that this one does not use the DEF, the diesel exhaust fluid. It doesn't use that because it doesn't have the filter on the exhaust, the standard exhaust. So I'll give you a quick view over the hood here, and then we'll go and do a walk around next. That's the cabin with the levers and controls. So now we're gonna do a walk around and check out a little bit more of the details on the exterior. Okay, so we'll start with the front grille here. Here's the New Holland logo. Here's the pull lever to open up the hood. You pull that out, and then the hood will pop open. You got here a guard, front guard here. When you use the front loader to protect the hood. It's got marathoner tires on here. Here you can see the engine compartment. There's the hydraulic hookup that goes down in here to the hydraulic pump. Here's the accelerator, brake. Eighteen 18.4 by 24 inch are 4 rear tires, marathoner, Galaxy tires. As you can see, they don't have the standard thread. These have the different thread here. So we're coming to the back here. Triangle, here's a toolbox. And then we have here the 2 hydraulic hookups for the implements that you hook up to the 3-point hitch. The third element here for the 3-point hitch is already missing. Then we got here 3-point hitch, an arm here, right here. Got an arm right here. And then a really nice drawbar here. Check out this drawbar here. That's a really nice drawbar. And there's the PTO. It has a cover on it because this tractor is apparently brand new. So yeah, sweet. Then it's got the lights here, turn signal, brake lights, and standard lights, so you can be seen in the dark. We'll come around here. Here's the steps to get up. I almost wished I had another one there, but then it probably would be too low to the ground. So you get a look here in the cab real quick. Really nice. And then you look, here's the oil filters. New Holland. There's another filter. Might be the transmission fluid filter right there. There's the fuel pump right there. Yeah, all in all, a nice tractor. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video with the Workmaster 70 from New Holland without a cab, and if you do, then don't forget to smash the thumbs up, please, and leave a nice comment down below in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and ring-a-ling-a-ding, the little bell symbol next to it, so that you will get the notification whenever I post another amazing video for you. So with that said, thank you for watching. Hugs, love, and kisses, and stay tuned for the next video. Mwah. Toodles!